So hi Tarun. Yeah, so you can just
Hi,
simply
Ron.
show your metrics here, sales and all.
Okay, so sales
So when
metrics is
actually you started, like when actually your product got live? Hello.
hello. Your voice was breaking
Yeah,
on. Yeah, what are you saying?
yeah. When was actually your product got live?
I think my product got live. I shipped my first shipment via FBA on I think 5th of July,
Mm-hmm.
and then it took time. So there were some issues in the initial
Mm-hmm.
shipment. So it reached the warehouse by 26th of July, I believe, and then
Mm-hmm.
it again took a week's time to show the
Mm-hmm.
inventory on my account.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, and then finally, I think by 17th or 18th August, I think 18th, 19th August, it was live.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then
Yeah,
18th
usually it
August,
will take sometimes, especially during Q4. Usually I faced a lot of times when sending during October and all. Even I waited for 20 days also. So our product will be delivered to the warehouse, but to get active, for our listing to
yeah,
get active, it will take some time. But yeah,
yeah,
yeah, you can show
because
your
that was my
sales like.
first.
Sure, sure. You
Okay,
are
I
telling
can
something, no?
show. Yeah, I think because it was the first time the seller account was live, everything was
Hmm.
happening for the first time.
First time,
So the
yeah.
pipeline was being set up at that time.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
that is the reason it took time. But as soon as the listing was live and I started the
Hmm.
campaign, I
Yeah.
I got the sale and I was happy when so I was actually I saw one sale from Karnataka that has happened.
Hmm.
So I was happy that you are also from Karnataka and that sale also happened from Karnataka.
Yeah. Usually orders from Karnataka are more. Karnataka, Telangana,
Yeah, yeah, south side orders are
and
more Telangana,
more.
AP, Karnataka.
Hmm. Yeah.
So for on which screen I can show for the sales? I can show
You
this the
can go to
inventories.
business reports. Reports, reports and
Okay,
business
business
reports.
reports. Okay,
Yeah, business reports. Yes.
so it is
Yeah.
showing till today. So year to
Mhm.
date I can show.
I think you ran out of stock, I guess, right? You were
I think
only.
only for, yeah, I
Yeah, I
increased the price
suggested you
till
that day to pause your advertisement campaign.
I paused my advertisement and I also increased the price. Still the orders were
Mm-hmm.
not stopping. Even with the
Mm-hmm.
increased price, order was there.
Yeah, because the
So
product is already on the first page. So today morning
yeah,
also, yeah, I once checked it. So it was showing on the first page itself.
yeah.
So we can't help it. Yeah. But
So then
again,
I increased the price to
mm-hmm.
maximum price so that at least
Mm-hmm.
no, I should not get with the zero inventory till the time my
Mm-hmm.
next batch.
Yeah.
So out of 100, I think 97 order items are there, only
Mm-hmm.
3 or 4 inventories there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So this is the order product sale is 33,000 something.
So I think in July your product got live, right?
Yes. So fine. I mean,
Okay.
26 July, I got the first order,
Mm-hmm.
and it is 26 of within 1 month, I think.
Almost you had 100 units, right?
Yes, yes, 100 units.
Oh. So that is the thing. And right now we are selling at a lower price only. Of course, the product investment cost also is very less, but still,
Yes.
we are selling at a lower price only because we don't have that much reviews, right? So once we
Right.
gain as much as reviews, definitely we can increase our price. And also Q4 is coming, right? So every
Yes.
seller increase their selling price during this Q4. So we can also capitalize on that. So what you can do is, make sure to restock the product on time, and then as you gain the reviews, you can increase your selling price and gain more margin.
The
And you
one
can
thing is
build a
also,
brand since your product is in sports and fitness. So you can build a
yeah,
brand. So in that particular niche only, you can launch multiple products. You can use the existing customers to push your new products.
yes.
Yeah.
And also, but reviews, see, I use this section which is there on this order section to get
Mm-hmm.
the review from those people who have bought, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, but I don't think, I mean, I'm getting people are using it, they're liking it. But
Mm-hmm.
reviews, I think, is something that I have to check how to get the
Mm-hmm.
reviews from them because Amazon allows
Mm-hmm.
only once to send that
Mm-hmm.
request form for the
Mm-hmm.
review.
Yeah.
But still, reviews or less, so I have to check.
Yeah. See, it is usually like, gradually increases. So more reviews on the product, people tend to put more reviews, and more sales, you know, again correlates to the more reviews. So that like that it is. So we have to wait.
Yeah,
Right now, everything is going fine. We just have to wait. That's it.
yeah.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay, and yeah, I
Yeah.
think the sales from the campaign point of view is fine. Okay, let me see.
Hmm. And also, I'll share you a video where step by step I have explained, you know, payment reconciliation. Once go through it,
Okay,
it will
okay,
be
sure,
convenient for you. Yeah. And if you have any
okay,
doubts, you can again reach out to me.
sure,
Sure. So yeah, let's keep this thing in the radar, and make sure to keep the product in stock.
sure.
Yeah. So only one product launched it, right?
Yeah, only one product. So, I mean, before launching next product, I wanted to stable this thing. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
understand every bits
All the
and pieces like
process. Yes, yes.
processes
Mm-hmm.
and how much I'm getting charged and the
Mm-hmm.
reviews. So then definitely with your help only I will get suggestion and then
Sure,
move on for the next product.
sure, sure, sure. Yeah, let's wrap up then.
Okay, sure, Ron. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. All the best. Bye.
Thank you. Thanks, Ron. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for your support. And I mean, I must appreciate you and Vinay's effort on this in helping me
Mm-hmm.
throughout and being available all the time. I know
Sure.
you're handling multiple products and everything, so it is
Mm-hmm.
a tough job, but still, you make yourself available whenever I need it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah,
Thanks, Ron.
appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah. Bye. All the best. Bye.